This might sound crazy, but 85% of people are unhappy with their jobs. It's easy to see why. Maybe you don't like having a boss. Maybe you're not paid what you're worth. Maybe you feel like you spend more time at the office than anywhere else. Maybe you feel like the work you do doesn't have the impact you see for yourself. There's a way to break free from this daily grind and create a better life of success and purpose, driven by you. Building a business with doTERRA can check all these boxes and more. doTERRA started in 2008 with a mission to make the world a better place through powerful gifts of the earth. Since then, millions of customers have experienced the natural power and effectiveness of doTERRA's essential oils and other wellness products. 65% of those who purchase doTERRA products become return customers. This has created a broad and loyal customer base, as well as a recognized and trusted brand. Starting your own business with doTERRA doesn't require significant capital, specialized equipment, or office space. You decide how much time you want to put in, and the generous compensation plan can help you earn added income as you share. The best part is that you are in control of your success. You can design a path unique to you. Through sharing and educating others, you can earn bonuses, commission, and added income. By partnering with an established company, the guesswork of starting a new business is gone. The products, training, education, marketing, and customer service are all in place to support your success. Most importantly, you would join a company that believes in doing everything possible to create a better world. The products help customers take control of their health in a powerful and natural way. And as you build your business, you also help to create opportunities for hardworking farmers and harvesters in more than 47 countries. Each person along the supply chain is treated fairly. We strive to source the best and help the most in every community where we source our products. Think of the life you could create for yourself, a life of purpose on a path unique to you. Create the life you imagine by talking to the person who shared this video with you. doTERRA. Pursue what's pure.